Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Pod English for Everyone. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you're here with me today.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Pod English for Everyone. Today, I want to show you something simple, something powerful, something that can change the way you learn English. Because maybe right now, you are doing this. You see a sentence, you think in your language, then you try to translate, then you try to speak. And it feels slow. It feels difficult. But you don't need to translate. You can think in English. And when you do this, everything becomes easier. You speak faster. You understand more. You feel more confident. So today, we build this together, step by step, with simple words, with real examples, with your life. Look around you. What do you see? A chair? A phone? A table? Now say it in your mind. This is a chair. This is a phone. The table is here. Good. This is the first step. Small sentences. Simple English. No pressure. Now think about your day. In the morning, what do? You wake up, you eat, you move. Say it in your mind. I wake up. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast. Simple is powerful. Now connect this to your life. Think about your family. Say, I have a mother. My father is kind. I have one brother. Or, I have no brother. I have one sister. Good. Now your English is real. It is your life. And this helps your brain remember. Now add feeling. My mother is important to me. I feel happy with my family. I like spending time with them. Now you are feeling English. And this is important. Now repeat. I have a mother. I have a mother. Again. I have a mother. Repetition builds memory. Now ask yourself questions. What am I doing? I am listening. What do I see? I see a screen. What do I feel? I feel focused. Now you are creating conversation inside your brain, and this is training. Now remember this. You don't need hours. You need moments, small moments, during your day, in the morning, in the street, at home, at night. These small moments change your brain. Day after day. Now say, I am learning English. Again, I am learning English. Now say, I am improving every day. Good. Feel it. Now choose one theme. Family, daily life, food. Stay with it. Repeat it. Use it. And your English becomes strong. Not fast, strong. And strong English stays. Keep going. We go deeper next. Take a breath. Stay with me. Now you already know something important. You can think in English. You can use simple sentences. That is good. But now we go further. You don't just want to think. You want to think naturally. You want English to come without effort. So let's build that. Look around again. Go faster. This is a chair. This is a screen. I am sitting. Now connect. I am sitting on a chair. I am looking at a screen. Good. Your brain is building connections, and connections create flow. Now think about movement. I am listening. I am learning. I am focusing. Now connect again. I am listening and learning. I am focusing on English. Now your brain is moving. Now something important. Do not stop. Even if you don't know a word, keep going. Change the sentence. Use simple words. For example, you don't know a word. Say, it is soft. It is on my bed. Stay in English. This is powerful. Now ask questions. What am I doing? I am listening. Where am I? I am at home. What do I want? I want to learn English. Now your brain is active. Now prepare small conversations. In your mind. Say, hello. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Now continue. Where are you from? I am from France. Or, I am from Brazil. This is real speaking. Now repeat, again and again. Repetition builds confidence. Say, I am learning English. I am learning English. Good. Now add feeling. I feel good. I feel motivated. I feel ready. Emotion makes memory stronger. Now tell a small story. I wake up. I drink coffee. I go outside. I see people. I feel good. Now your brain creates, not just repeats. This is a big step. Now remember, do not try to be fast. Be simple, be clear, speed will come. Every time you think in English, you build a new path. At first, it is small, then it grows, then it becomes natural. Say, I am thinking in English. I am improving. I am getting better. Good. You are not translating. You are thinking directly. This is the change. Keep going. Stay with me. Now something changes. You already think in English. You already build simple sentences. But now we remove something. Translation. Because translation is slow. Translation blocks your brain. Translation creates hesitation. So now we stop it. Not perfectly, but step by step. Start with easy words. When you see something, say it in English, not in your language. A cup, a phone, a chair. Your brain must choose English first. This is the new habit. Now try sentences. I am sitting. I am listening. I am learning. Do not go back to your language. Stay in English. Now, something important. Your brain will try to go back. This is normal. Bring it back to English. Again and again. This is training. Now use short patterns. Patterns help your brain. I am, I have, I feel, repeat them. I am ready. I have time. I feel good. Now your brain starts to use structure, and structure creates speed. Now let's go further. Think about your past, but stay simple. I learned English today. I practiced. I listened. Now think about now. I am improving. I am understanding more. Now connect time, past and present. Your brain starts to feel the language, not just words. Now another technique. Shadow in your mind. When you hear English, repeat it. Same rhythm, same words. I like coffee. I like coffee. This builds natural speaking. Now something powerful. Do not stop when you don't know. Replace, simplify, continue. You don't know a word. Say it differently. Keep moving. Now your brain becomes flexible, and flexibility creates fluency. Now think about your day again, but faster. I wake up. I eat. I go out. I see people. I feel good. Good. Now say it again, but smoother. I wake up, I eat, I go out, I see people, I feel good. Better. Now your brain connects flow. This is how fluency begins. Not with perfect grammar, but with movement. Now say, I think in English. I don't translate. I am improving every day. Because thinking is strong. But speaking is the goal, and speaking needs confidence. So we build it, slowly, naturally, without pressure. Start with something simple. Prepare in your mind. Before speaking, imagine a situation. You meet someone. Say in your mind, hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Repeat it. Now continue. Where are you from? I am from France. Good. This is preparation. Now your brain feels safe. Now another situation. You are in a cafe. Say, can I have a coffee, please? Thank you. Simple, real, useful. Now something important. When you repeat situations, your brain learns patterns, and patterns make speaking easier. Now imagine real conversation. You say, I like coffee. Pause, think. Now continue. Do you like coffee? Good. This is flow. Speak, think, continue. Now something very important. Use pauses, not fear. Pause helps you think. Pause keeps you calm. Pause is power. Now another technique. Listen and repeat in your mind. Someone says, I went outside. You repeat, I went outside. This builds memory. Now something important. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When you practice in your brain, you are safe. You try, you improve, you continue. Now build a full conversation in your mind. Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am learning English. I am improving. Good. Now feel this. You are thinking, then speaking. No translation, no block. This is real progress. Now imagine your future. You speak clearly. You speak calmly. You understand easily. Say, I can speak English. I am confident. I am improving every day. Feel it. Your brain believes repetition, and belief creates confidence. Now remember, prepare, repeat, pause, continue, and your speaking becomes natural. Now we finish everything together. Stay with me. Now everything becomes simple. You don't need complex methods. You don't need perfect grammar. You need a system, small actions, every day. This is your system. First, small English moments. Morning, I wake up. I feel good. Day, I work. I see people. Night, I learned. I practiced. Simple, second, one theme, family, daily life, food, repeat it, use it, live it. Third, think in your brain. All day, ask, what am I doing? I am learning. What do I feel? I feel good. Fourth, repeat what you hear. I like coffee. I like coffee. This builds automatic English. Fifth, accept mistakes. Mistakes are progress. Keep going. Sixth, use feeling. I feel happy. I feel motivated. This makes English real. And finally, consistency. Not perfection, just practice. Every day. Now understand this. If you do this daily, your brain changes. You stop translating. You start thinking. You start speaking. Naturally, this is fluency, not perfect English. Natural English. Now say, I am learning English. I am improving every day. I can do this. Good, you have started, and that matters. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Pod English for Everyone. And tell us what you want to learn next. Keep practicing, keep thinking, and keep growing. See you soon.
Hey, thanks for being here.
If you like this episode, drop a comment and tell us what you want next.
New episodes every week. Don't miss the next one.
Hit subscribe, turn on notification.
And keep improving your English. See you next time.